In this video, I am going to tell you how you can create an AWS Lambda function and then how you can create a public endpoint so you can make a HTTP call to that function from an external client such as a browser or Postman or even from your application. So log into your management console first, then click services, choose Lambda, click create function in the next screen. So I'm going to order a hello world function from scratch. There are advanced options available. You can see. Give the function a name. My test function 001. I'm going to keep the Node.js here. There are different other language options also available. For this example, I prefer Node.js. Click create function. Now the function creation process is going to take some 5, 10 or, or maximum 15 seconds usually. So once the function is created, in the next screen you can see a kind of designer. Okay, so your function is basically ready. So you can see this is Node.js code. Let me slightly change hello from preview. Okay, so this is going to be the result. So you can say you can test it right here. So this example do not really require any input data, but I would keep whatever default presented to me by AWS. Yeah, it requires a function even name. So now if I test, see hello from Praveen. The same test you can do here as well. Hello from Praveen. Now let us see how you can create a public endpoint. Okay, so for that you have to click add trigger. I will go with API gateway. Now you have to create an API. I will go with the HTTP API, but I want this to be a open API and now at the end of the page you can see a URL is created. If you click that, you can see hello from Praveen. Thank you.